Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Chris Dignan with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Friday, May 8th, 2009. Private equity firm Apax Partners has lost its stake in Streetbroadcast, a UK advertising company that was bought out of insolvency. According to financial news, the move comes as UK restructuring firm Redbus bought the assets of Streetbroadcast last week. Apax had invested £3 million in Streetbroadcast, along with Vincent Chenghiz's real estate and venture capital firm Consensus in 2004. Staying with hedge fund news, private equity firm Consumer Capital Partners has appointed Tim Mullany as its CFO. According to Private Equity Wire, in his new role, Mullany will lead the financial and accounting functions at CCP. Mullany was most recently CFO at Global Portfolio Advisors in Boston, where he managed over $5 billion in assets and a $1 billion investment fund. And in more hedge fund news, Global Investment House has named Mohammed Abdel-Salam as the head of its private equity fund's business in Egypt. According to Private Equity Wire, the move is in line with the firm's efforts to expand presence in North African markets. Abdel-Salam joins Global Capital Management from BDO Khaled & Company. Global's private equity funds are spread across Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, and Turkey. And in other hedge fund news, Blackstone Group LP and Morgan Stanley stakeholder China Investment Corporation has reportedly named new managers at its investment divisions. According to Bloomberg, Zhang Kongdong, a former hedge fund manager at UBS AG, who joined Beijing-based CIC a year ago, will oversee direct investments in public markets and hedge funds, that according to two people who declined to be identified because the announcement has not been made public. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online and read the full stories and the latest developments.